close. October 1, the Buffalo Bills travel to Atlanta in the new Mercedes-Benz Stadium to take on the Falcons. 2017 Jamie Germano 1 p.m. Sunday, October 1st, at Mercedes-Benz Field, Atlanta. Streaming CBS All Access NFL Mobile from Verizon phones only. TV CBS in Binghamton, Ithaca, Elmira areas. More if the Bills want to convince us they're for real, go beat the unbeaten Falcons. More Atlanta's Julio Jones is a dynamic freak of nature, and the Bills defense knows it. Tyrod Taylor report a mobile QB can dial up better results. Some games will be subject to blackout depending on location. All NFL listings are according to 506sports.com and tfguide.com, but CBS and Fox NFL games are subject to change by local TV affiliates. For NFL games, there are numerous streaming options on your devices, which can be accessed here, but you'll probably need either TV provider logins or subscriptions. If you have a Verizon phone, you can stream all locally televised games on the NFL app.